How do you copy a formula in Excel for the entire column? Well, our first impulse could be to enter the formula. For example, A multiplies by 0.1. Okay, hit enter and then try to drag it down row by row. But it's quite tiring. The longer the data, the longer it takes. So let me show you a better method. Okay, first select all the data and put them inside a table. So you can go to insert and select table. Okay, now enter the formula as usual. So to calculate 10% tax, I will first select the daily sales and then multiply it by 0.1 and then hit enter, and you can see that Excel has automatically copied the formula down all the rows below it. And what's even better is that you can enter the formula anywhere in the subsequent rows. So for example, you can enter in the middle of the row. Watch this. Equal daily sales multiplies by 0.1. Enter and see. Excel will understand and it will auto copy the formula up and down the column. And that's it. Happy learning and see you in the next video.